Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the mesmerizing world of sound with the PAUANI Handpan drum, a truly remarkable percussion instrument that promises an experience unlike any other. This particular model, available in various note configurations like 9, 10, 12, or even 14 notes, is crafted to deliver an exceptional auditory journey. One of the standout features of this handpan is its innovative new fire heat treatment process. After years of dedicated research, PAUANI has developed a method that significantly enhances the drum's durability. This means the handpan is less prone to scratches and damage, boasts superior rust-proof qualities, and crucially, prevents its beautiful colors from fading over time. It's a testament to the manufacturer's commitment to longevity and aesthetic preservation, ensuring your instrument remains as stunning as its sound for years to come. The heart of any handpan lies in its tone, and PAUANI has clearly prioritized perfection here. Their professional tuners meticulously select the most suitable materials and thickness, subjecting each instrument to numerous beat adjustments and repeated tests. This rigorous tuning process guarantees that every single handpan delivered possesses a flawless, harmonious tone. For instance, the 10-note design, often recommended for beginners, includes a thoughtful arrangement of notes like D3, A3, BB3, D4, F4, A4, C5, G4, E4, and C4. It's important to note that the uneven surface of the drum is not a flaw, but rather a unique mark left by the skilled manual tuning process, adding to its authentic character. What truly sets this handpan apart is its profound sound experience, tuned to 432 Hz. This frequency is often described as being in harmony with nature, resonating with the natural world, and even the water within our own bodies. Playing this instrument isn't just about making music, it's about tapping into a deeper connection. The voice emanating from this handpan is said to resonate from the depths of the soul, evoking an infinite mood and a pure sound that can truly resonate with your heart. It offers an opportunity to explore yourself more deeply, to empty your emotions, let go of worries, and ultimately, find a sense of inner peace. It's more than an instrument. It's a tool for mindfulness and spiritual connection. PAUANI also understands the practical needs of musicians. This handpan drum comes as a complete package, including a sturdy carrying bag, the handpan itself, 2 mallets for varied playing styles, a dedicated hand drum stand, and a dust cloth. The included bag makes storage and transportation incredibly easy, allowing you to take your instrument wherever inspiration strikes. And with the dust-free cloth, keeping your handpan pristine and ready to play is a simple task. Weighing around 5,000 grams, it's substantial yet manageable for transport. In essence, the PAUANI Handpan drum is an exceptional instrument that combines cutting-edge manufacturing with artisanal tuning. Its robust construction, perfect tone, and a deeply resonant 432 Hz frequency make it an outstanding choice for both aspiring musicians and those seeking a unique path to relaxation and self-discovery. It's a complete package designed for ease of use, portability, and a truly transformative musical experience.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.